I got a helmet for the Lock City because you need a SA 2020 helmet. This shit's already open.
Yeah, it's fine. You're going.
Well, what you can do to do the system is you buy the helmet, you go to the event, and then you return the helmet. Say it didn't fit.
Oh my God, put a old one in there and return it. Put that yellow one in there, dude. Back in the box and be like, this isn't even what I ordered. I want a refund.
I'll do it.
We're literally filming us conspiring to Amazon, so we probably shouldn't.
Dude, Jeff Bezos. Is that even the guy? Is that the guy who owns it? I got the white half face.
Nice. I like it with the white visor. It looks good. Mine's got the black one.
Let's see if this thing even fits, huh? Carlos, what do you want this or something? Get on the couch. Come on, you want to try
thought it was food. He
you
heard the
try
bags.
You want to try the helmet? No?
Nah,
You're out? He's out.
Yeah, he don't care.
He gone. It's like rubbery right here. Feel that. Why is it rubbery?
I don't know. Why does that look too small?
Dude, it's huge.
It's squeezing your cheeks like, oh fuck, you look like a chipmunk.
Yeah, but my ears are like... How come open faces are different? Like, maybe it's the SA bullshit, but... Like, see how this has an opening?
For your ear hole, yeah.
Yeah. Like a motorcycle helmet, it's just flat. So, like, your ears
It's
are...
like pushed.
Yeah. Dude, I could fucking put my speakers in here and still have room and shit. I really don't think that this is tight.
It looks really tight on your face. Like, it looks like, look at your fucking, like, eye baggage. Like, it's, like, squeezing your cheeks into your eyes.
Well, I can see a lot with this thing.
Yeah, that's why the open face is the dirty secret to drifting.
Yeah.
If you're allowed to use it, use it.
Let's put that.
You got to get some sunglasses.
Dude, I don't have sunglasses. Prescription.
Get a bandana then. Get a bandana and wear it like across your nose and your mouth so you look like a Forza character. Like you're gonna look like a Forza 7 character.
But with my other helmet, when I would pull it off, it would make my gauges fall out. Oh, this one's falling out, as you can see. That one's kind of falling out. And like I'd be in people's cars, like pulling my helmets out, and then they'd be like,
Dude, your gauge is on my seat.
yeah, or like they'll be like, why the hell are you still in the car? And I'm like, dude, I'm fucking trying to find my earring.
AJ's helmet, dude.
Got the new helmet.
Lock City.
All right, so we're here. Do you think these are for sale? You think they got clubs for sale here? Oh no, these are just all their shit that they bring outside. Here at the driving range, we got like 20 minutes, so I'm probably gonna get the medium. This is probably the small. This is probably the large. Yeah, I'll play. This guy's a G. I'll just use their clubs. This one's looking pretty healthy right here. You think I can get it in one of those buckets?
I don't know. I've actually never seen you.
First swing?
Yeah. Oh shit, dude, that was nice.
Yeah, I got a mean right curve to it.
Are you sick with it though?
I gotta work on the right curve.
I didn't know AJ was fire at golf, dude. Oh, that was a complete choke. How many do you think that actually is in that?
Probably 75 balls.
Oh.
That was bad. I gotta work on my chipping too, because I'm not good with the chipping. I don't know what I'm doing here, to be honest.
Sending it. Fail, dude. Oh, that was...
Oh, that one was fucking...
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Fire.
I don't even know where that went. Oh,
Dude,
way
that one
back
almost
there.
hit the
Yeah.
geese over there.
Choke.
Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna aim for that with the Cal 125.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Oh, I gotta go grab my glove. My glove, you get blisters.
Wow.
I'll try my 300 too. Well, fucking geese don't know what they got coming. The Wilson, baby. Goodwill, right here. See, I hook it right usually. I don't know why. Jesus Christ. We try chipper. Another 6? I'll try 6.
This golf phase is all you. I'll gladly come hang out and film it, though. I did hear. I heard all of it, too.
This is good right here. Oh, yeah. Just getting kind of close. Bend the knees. Kind of close. Bend the knees. Right in the bucket. Oh!
Close. Pretty close, though.
Thought that one was hitting the cow. I'm going for that fucking bucket. Oh, I'm gonna get one in there. Bucket? Oh! I'm getting close.
You're getting close, but still not close enough to even hit it. Nice. Dude, are you gonna, like, what's the issue? Like, why are you missing? You know what I mean? Is there, like, math to figure out why?
No.
Oh, you just suck? Is that why?
Suck. You have to fucking, like, keep your arms straight type shit. And I can't. When you keep your arms straight, it keeps the thing in the same line. You know what I mean? That one was pretty good. Dude, maybe I gotta keep my arms straight, dude. I'm sending them now.
Ooh.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's my heat deal right there, dude. Holy fuck. Kind of out of breath. I'm just smacking these things.
Dude, that was the closest one to that barrel that you got so far.
Little line drive.
What's going on around here nowadays? You hear all this action?
My heart pacer probably alarmed him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm cranking these fuckers. Let's try 3.
I wonder if the camera can hear those, because it's like a little windy out here.
Oh yeah. Pretty fire, dude.
Dude, it made all the noise and it stayed.
Oh, I'm not good, dude. Line drive. Right in the bucket. Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh, fuck. I hit the ground first, and then the ball. Yeah.
Oh my God, that ball exploded. The ball exploded.
Did it?
Yeah.
Something did.
No, the ball literally disintegrated, dude. I saw it go off into like 5 different pieces.
Oh my God, dude, I'm sweating. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Jeez. You don't exert this much energy when you're like golfing, because you like hit it, you hop on the golf cart, you get the wind through your hair, you know what I mean? The driving range is a workout. Fuck golf. What's going on here?
I heard sirens the whole time we were filming.
I think it's down here that's fucked.
What on earth is going on? What? Oh, is it a bike?
Yeah, it's a bike. Oh my God, someone else is fucking laying on the ground there.
Good old Torrington. The beautiful downtown.
When did they start tearing this apart?
I don't know. What are they gonna put there? Another upscale restaurant?
All right, guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Also, go check out our merch. We got the Ganj, we got the Scran. Everything's in the description, so check that out, boys. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.